Hi kids. In this session you are going to learn about Australia. It is the largest island and smallest continent in the world. It is the only continent that completely occupies a single country. Australia was discovered at the last alone. It was discovered by Captain James Cook, an English seaman in 1770. First you should know about the location and its size of the Australia. Australia extends from 10 degree 4 minutes south to 39 degree 8 minutes south latitudes and 113 degree 9 minutes east to 153 degree 39 minutes east longitudes. The Tropic of Capricorn cuts the continent almost into two equal halves. Political divisions. There are 6 states and 2 union territory in Australia. New South Wales, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania, Victoria, Western Australia, Northern Territory, Capital Territory. These are all the states and union territories. Each state has its own state constitution. Canberra is the capital territory. Okay, it is the capital of Australia. Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide, Hobart, Melbourne, Perth and Darwin are the other important cities of Australia. Australia, it has 8,222 islands. In this one, White Sunday, Phillip Island, Lord Howe Island are the some of the major islands. Next we will learn about the physical divisions of Australia. First you should know about the Great Western Plateau. It is the largest physical division of Australia. It has flat surface which is covered by sandy and rocky features. Ayers Rock or Uluru is the largest monolith rock in the world. The pointed limestone pillars called the pinnacles are common in this region. The McDonnell and Musgrave ranges are located in this plateau. The treeless region of Nullarbor Plain is located in the southern part of this plateau. The Great Victoria Desert is the largest desert in Australia, which is located in Western Australia and South Australia. Next, the Central Lowlands. This one is extended from the Gulf of Carpentaria in the north to Indian Ocean in the south. In the center of this lowland lies the large inland drainage basin of Australia. Lake Eyre is the largest salt lake lies in this region. The Murray-Darling River system lies in the southeastern part of the central lowlands. The Eastern Islands. The Eastern Island stretches from Cape York in the north to Tasmania in the south, and it divides the west and east flowing rivers. So it is called as a Great Dividing Range. Australian Alps mountain range is the highest mountain range of Australia. It fully covered with ice. The highest peak of this range is Mount Kosciuszko and it's located in the New South Wales. Australia has two important natural features, Artesian Basin and also the Great Barrier Reef. The Artesian basins are regions on the Earth's surface where water gushes out like a fountain. The Great Artesian Basin in Australia is the largest and deepest basin in the world. The Artesian Basin is located in the west of the Great Dividing Range. It is found in the arid and semi-arid parts of Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia and Northern Territory. Great Barrier Reef. It is located in the northeast of Australia along the east coast of Queensland in the Pacific Ocean. It is formed by the tiny coral polyps and it is one of the natural wonder of the world. Drainage system. Australia receives only the low average rainfall because it is very hot and dry country. The rate of evaporation is high in this country. So there is a very little amount of water left to flow as river to the seas. The River Murray and its tributary are the main rivers and a major drainage basin of Australia, and it is the longest river in Australia. Climate. Australia contains the second largest area of extremely arid land in the world. The Tropic of Capricorn divides Australia into two equal parts. Northern half is in the warm tropical zone and the southern half is in the cool temperate zone. The north coastal region experiences monsoon type of climate and there is heavy rainfall during summer. East coastal region receives good rainfall from southeast trade wind. The hot desert climate extends from central lowlands to western shores. Mediterranean type of climate prevails in the southern tip of Australia. Tasmania gets rain throughout the year from westerly winds. Flora and fauna. Australia, it is a semi-arid region, already I told, isn't it? It is covered with the vegetative and not mainly composed of trees but of scattered shrubs and herbs. Bird's eye view of Australia would reveal a very simple vegetation pattern. The plants and trees in Australia are adapted to dry conditions and can survive for long period without water. They are called as the xerophytes. Eucalyptus is the most common tree in this one. Okay. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Koala, platypus, wallaby and dingo are the other important animals of Australia. The bird species like the laughing kookaburra, emu, rainbow lorikeet are the major birds of Australia. The people who work in the sheep stations in Australia are known as jackaroos. Aborigines are the indigenous people of Australia. What are the economic activities of Australian people? We will learn that one. Agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, manufacturing, trading and services are the major economic activities of Australia. Tasmania is known as the Apple Island. Merino sheep are rearing in southern Australia. Fishing is also the major economic activity of Australia, already I told. Here, marine fishing is very popular. Inland fishing very limited alone. Okay. The sheep industry is well developed in Australia. The wool is described as the cash crop of Australia. Mineral resources are the largest export item of Australia. It contributes about 10% of country's GDP. Australia is the world's leading producer of bauxite, limonite, rutile and zircon. Iron ores are found mainly in the southern and western Australia. Bauxite is mined around the Gulf of Carpentaria, Perth and Tasmania. Petroleum and natural gas is obtained from Bass Strait and west of Brisbane. Industries. Food and beverage manufacturing industry is the primary industry in Australia. Finance, shipbuilding, information technology, mining, insurance, aviation and telecommunication industries are the other important industries. Transport. Many forms of transports are available in Australia. This country is highly dependent on road transport. There are more than 30 airports with paved runways. Passenger rail transport includes widespread commuter networks in the major cities with limited intercity and interstate networks. Population. As of 2019, the population of Australia is about 25.2 million. The population density of Australia is 3 persons per square kilometer. Southeastern part of Australia is the densely populated region. Thank you, kids.